and welcome to this tutorial where we show you how to set up single sign-on in identity with Meri Pehchaan as the identity provider. Meri Pehchaan is the national single sign-on service in India. For those not familiar, Identity is a workforce and customer identity management solution built by Celusion Technologies. After this tutorial, we will update the identity tagline to highlight its support for citizen identity management, in addition to workforce and customers. Let's begin by registering a new client within the Meri Pehchaan portal. Log into the API Setu partner portal and click the link Meri Pehchaan on the left navigation menu. Click on Generate New Key, fill the form and create your new client. Save the client ID, client secret, which you will need when configuring identity. The callback URL is a link to identity. Assuming the authentication scheme is Meri, your callback URL will be the base URL for identity, followed by a /signin-Meri. Next, we navigate to identity. You can see that there is no option to sign in using Meri Pehchaan. In order to set up the single sign-on configuration, log into identity using admin credentials. Navigate to Administration, Providers, Identity Providers. Identity comes packaged with providers like Google, LinkedIn, Facebook. You can also add new identity providers to the configuration. Go on to add a new identity provider. Start by selecting the logo, setting the authentication scheme, which should be unique. Give the provider a name and description. Set the display order and choose the protocol as OAuth 2. I have the values from Meri Pehchaan saved in a notepad, which I will copy over to identity. Set the client ID, client secret, authorization URL, token URL, and user information URL. Note that the callback URL is displayed on screen. You need this callback URL when configuring identity as a client within Meri Pehchaan portal. Now click on Claims and map the required claim for name ID. It is DigiLocker ID since we will be using Meri Pehchaan using DigiLocker. Now click on Design, select an icon, set the button styles. You can see a preview of your button design on the right side. Save your configuration and you now have Meri Pehchaan set up as an identity provider. In order to enable single sign-on using external providers and identity, navigate to Administration, Settings and select External Login from the left menu. Select the option to allow external login and toggle the switch to allow single sign-on using Meri Pehchaan. Save your settings and you should now see the Sign In with Meri Pehchaan button on your login screen. There is one final step to link a user account in identity to a Meri Pehchaan account. You can log into identity, select My Profile and choose External Login from the left menu. You can see that no Meri Pehchaan account is associated with the logged in user. Click on Connect to start associating the account. You will need to sign into Meri Pehchaan if you are not already signed in and link your account. You can now sign into identity using Meri Pehchaan. On the login page, click the Login with Meri Pehchaan button. You were logged in directly because you were already signed into the Meri Pehchaan portal during the account linking process. Well, that's how simple it is to set up identity to use Meri Pehchaan as a single sign-on provider. A national single sign-on promotes digital inclusion and allows a citizen to use a single login across multiple services.